right, boys and girls, today's lesson is about telling a story and solving the problem with an unknown at end. So I'm going to tell you a story, and I want you to do the same things that I do as we go along. All right, so once upon a time, there were 3 little bears playing in the forest. Show me 3 with your fingers, like this. 3 fingers? Yes, that was the 3 little bears that were playing in the forest. Then after, more bears came over, but we don't know how many. At the end, there were 5 bears playing all together. So let's recap. 3 bears were playing. Then some came over, then 5 were playing total in the forest. What we want to know is how many bears came over to play after the first 3 bears. Go ahead and put that in your brain. Share it with the person sitting next to you. Say, I think it was this many. Did you say 2? Let's see if you're right. There were 3 bears playing in the forest. That's something we know from the story. Then we know some came over, but we don't know how many. Then we know 5 were there total at the end. So how do I find out how many came over? Well, I know 3, so I can start counting from 3. And I know 5, so I can stop at 5. So I'll start at 3, 4, 5. How many bears came over? 2 more. You guys got it. Yes, that's correct. Now, if I wanted to represent that on using number sentence, I can start with the number of bears I know, plus I don't know how many came over, but I know that we started with 3. We don't know how many more came over, but I know that at the end there was 5 of them, right? So I know 3 were there. I don't know how many came over, and then there was 5. So I can start counting by 3 and start counting at 3 and then stop at 5. So let's do that. 3, 4, 5. 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Great job.